Welcome to Kuki Decor, your space for creative, sustainable, and stylish home decor inspiration. If you've ever walked through nature and felt inspired by the textures of tree bark, the shapes of branches, or the warmth of aged wood, then you'll love today's video. We are diving into nature-inspired wall art ideas that use found wood materials. These designs are not only budget-friendly, but also deeply meaningful, connecting your home to the raw beauty of the outdoors. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our inspiring decor ideas. Imagine turning driftwood from a lakeside walk, twigs gathered from your garden, or reclaimed wood scraps into stunning, one-of-a-kind wall art. Found wood tells a story. It carries textures, curves, and imperfections that make every piece unique. In this video, I'll share practical DIY creations, design tips, and styling ideas that can transform simple wooden finds into elegant, rustic, and modern wall art. Whether you're looking for a bold statement piece or subtle, minimalist accents, you'll find inspiration here. Let's start with one of the simplest and most beautiful approaches, driftwood wall art. If you've ever collected driftwood from a beach or riverbank, you already know how sculptural and weathered it looks. You can arrange pieces into geometric patterns, create a natural sunburst design, or simply mount a large, twisted driftwood branch as a centerpiece. The best part is that driftwood often has soft, silvery tones that work beautifully with both coastal and rustic interiors. Adding a matte finish or leaving it raw enhances its natural charm. Another powerful idea is branch-based wall hangings. Collect branches of varying thicknesses, trim them neatly, and arrange them horizontally or vertically to form a pattern. You can tie them together with twine for a rustic vibe, or mount them on a wooden frame for a more polished look. Adding fairy lights, small hanging planters, or even macrame accents can elevate the design further. This type of wall art works perfectly above a sofa, or as an accent in a cozy reading nook. Now let's talk about wood slice art. If you've ever come across fallen branches or logs, cutting them into slices can give you perfect natural canvases. Arrange these slices into a circular mandala, a hexagonal honeycomb pattern, or a simple clustered mosaic. You can leave them raw, sand and polish them, or even paint subtle designs on the surfaces. This type of wall art balances rustic charm with modern creativity, making it versatile for almost any room. Before we continue, I'd love to remind you to subscribe to Kuki Decor if you're enjoying these nature-inspired ideas. Subscribing helps us bring you more creative and sustainable decor inspiration, and it ensures you don't miss our upcoming videos on unique wood furniture and rustic DIY projects. Don't forget to hit that like button if these ideas are sparking your imagination. Moving forward, another creative option is reclaimed wood panel art. Found wood often includes old planks, broken furniture parts, or construction scraps. Instead of discarding them, you can arrange these pieces into an abstract wooden panel. Try mixing different tones and textures, dark, aged wood alongside light, fresh pieces, to create a rich mosaic effect. Mounting such a panel on the wall makes a bold statement, especially in modern or industrial-style homes. For those who love minimalism, consider single-branch art. Sometimes less is more. Find a branch with a naturally striking shape, curved, twisted, or forked, and mount it on a wooden board or directly onto the wall. This becomes a sculptural piece that looks like nature's artwork, requiring very little alteration. Pair it with neutral tones and clean lines in your space, and the branch itself becomes the highlight. Another beautiful approach is combining wood with other natural elements. Imagine driftwood arranged with seashells, branches paired with pressed flowers, or wood slices mixed with stone. These combinations create layered textures and tell a story of the outdoors inside your home. You can even frame smaller wooden pieces with glass to create a shadowbox-style display. If you want to add functionality, consider turning found wood into shelf art. Mount a flat piece of reclaimed wood as a floating shelf, then style it with small decorative objects, plants, or candles. The wood itself becomes part of the wall decor, while also serving as storage or display space. This is a clever way to combine beauty and practicality. For those who like to add a personal touch, you can try painting or carving into found wood. Even simple stencils, botanical patterns, or abstract designs painted onto reclaimed planks can elevate them into unique art. If carving feels intimidating, start small, etching initials, simple lines, or geometric shapes. This approach merges raw natural texture with handmade creativity, producing something entirely yours. If these DIY creations are inspiring you, make sure you hit subscribe to Kuki Decor for more rustic, eco-friendly, and stylish home decor ideas. And if you're enjoying the video so far, leave us a comment with your favorite found wood material, driftwood, branches, or reclaimed planks. I'd love to hear what you're most inspired to use. Now, let's not forget about scale. Found wood wall art can be small and subtle or large and dramatic. If you want a statement piece, create a full accent wall with reclaimed wood planks. Arrange them in herringbone, chevron, or random patterns for a textured backdrop. If you prefer subtlety, smaller frame designs or wood slice clusters will do the trick. The key is to let the natural material shine through, highlighting its imperfections, grain, and raw character. Finally, styling is just as important as creating. When hanging your found wood art, consider your color palette and existing decor. Rustic wood pairs beautifully with neutral tones, earthy colors, and natural fabrics like linen or cotton. For a modern look, contrast it with clean white walls and sleek furniture. For a cozy atmosphere, complement it with warm lighting and layered textiles. And that brings us to the heart of today's message. Decorating with found wood isn't just about style, it's about connection. Every piece you create carries the story of where you found the wood, the journey it has taken, and the creativity you poured into it. It's eco-friendly, personal, and timeless. Unlike store-bought decor, found wood wall art has soul. It grounds your home in the beauty of nature. So, whether you're crafting a driftwood masterpiece, arranging branch patterns, or designing a reclaimed wood panel, remember that your art doesn't have to be perfect. Nature itself is beautifully imperfect, and your wall art should reflect that authenticity. As we wrap up today's video, let's reflect on the beauty of nature-inspired wall art using found wood materials. What makes this type of decor truly special is that it's more than just decoration, it's a meaningful connection between your home and the natural world. Every piece of driftwood, every slice of a branch, every reclaimed plank carries its own story, a story you get to preserve and showcase. Unlike mass-produced wall art, these creations breathe life, warmth, and originality into your space. They remind you of places you've been, walks you've taken, and the timeless artistry of nature itself. Found wood art is also deeply sustainable. In a world where mass production often overshadows creativity, choosing to upcycle and repurpose materials is an act of care, for the planet, for your home, and for your personal well-being. You're not just decorating walls, you're making a conscious choice to reduce waste, honor natural resources, and embrace eco-friendly living. And the best part? These projects don't require perfection or professional skills. They thrive on creativity, experimentation, and authenticity. A crooked branch or uneven wood slice doesn't diminish beauty, it enhances it. When you invite natural textures into your home, you create harmony. The organic lines of wood balance modern interiors, soften industrial spaces, and enrich rustic homes. They offer a timeless appeal that blends with almost any design style. More importantly, They remind us that nature's imperfections are often its greatest strengths. So here's my encouragement to you: the next time you're on a nature walk, in your garden, or near a construction site, keep an eye out for wood pieces that inspire you. Don't see them as scraps or waste, see them as opportunities to create something extraordinary. Your wall art could be a simple branch mounted elegantly, a panel of reclaimed wood that becomes a conversation starter, or a collection of slices arranged into a stunning mosaic. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. If today's video sparked ideas for your next DIY project, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share which type of found wood art you're most excited to try. Are you drawn to driftwood's natural curves, branch-based wall hangings, or reclaimed wood panels? Your feedback inspires not only me, but also others in this creative community. Thank you so much for spending time with us today on Kuki Decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring home decor ideas. And remember, your home is more than just four walls, it's a canvas for your creativity, your memories, and your connection with the natural world. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep bringing the beauty of nature into your home.